Take a look at this beautiful 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in the highly sought-after community of Woodlands at Walnut Cove near Lake Robinson. This craftsman-style home with a beautiful fenced-in backyard is perfect for entertaining guests. As you walk into the open floor plan, you'll see the large living room is at the heart of the house with a large kitchen with modern appliances and adjoining dining room. In the living room you'll find the living space with a gas log fireplace and wooden mantel. With plenty of space to host get-togethers, you'll also fall in love with the backyard with a pergola covered deck and lots of privacy. You can retreat to the MASTERON MAIN with a large master bath with jet tub and easy access shower when you're done entertaining. You'll be surprised to find 2 large bedrooms on the 2nd floor, along with a full bath. This home is truly a great example of good architecture. You won't want to miss out on this beautiful